Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you an easy recipe for Chinese style steamed fish. Here I have one pomfret fish, weighs about 350 grams. I bought this at the market this morning, so it's very fresh. To me, the best way to cook fresh fish is to steam it and keep the ingredients and seasoning minimal. Thoroughly wash the fish. Make sure to remove all the blood clots inside. If you're concerned that it may smell fishy, you can place some ginger slices inside here. Next, place water in a wok and bring it to a boil. Then steam the fish on high heat for about 8 minutes. A quick tip, when steaming fish, I always steam on high heat with the shortest time possible to get a smooth texture. The steam time will vary based on the fish size, the material of the steam plate, and the heat of your stove. While waiting, let's prepare the garlic oil. Heat 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 3 to 4 cloves of minced garlic. Fry until the garlic turns slightly brown. Careful not to wait until it becomes golden brown, as the residual heat from the oil will continue to cook it. When the fish is hot, pour the garlic oil over it. Add 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce and garnish with some spring onion. It's that simple. If you're not familiar with steaming fish, you can check if it's cooked by using a spoon to scoop out the flesh. If the meat comes off easily and it's flaky, it's cooked. Hope you enjoyed watching this. See you next time.